support me. And syempre, ang buong Pilipinas ay nandyan para supportahan tayo. So, I am really, really, really strong. Yes, for the wardrobe talaga, we have really prepared for this wardrobe. I have Sir Patrick with me. Tapos talagang prepare namin ito. Pinag-isipan talaga for the national costume, even down to the talent costume. And of course, yung ating prelim and our finals, yan, abangan ninyo. Because it's one of a kind talaga, and I feel like it will really speak who Aimee is. As minute preparation, of course, nandun pa rin tayo sa pagpapack natin. Just have to make sure that we have all the essentials. Because we'll be staying in China for 3 weeks. And I'll be alone for 2 weeks. Kaya talagang pinakabahan ako. Being alone for 2 weeks, I had to learn my own makeup. I had to learn how to do my hair. Kaya medyo challenging talaga siya. That's why what we did was talagang pinractice ako ng aking HMOS, Genesis. Nandun talaga siya para supportahan ako. And then of course, yung ating pasarela, Ian Mendojor, and everybody else behind me. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Because I know that I'm stepping onto this platform very prepared.